I can't wait to tell you about 3 Little Wonders, our #1 best-selling skincare set, and my go-to regimen for the ultimate Oola glow. I love the 3 Little Wonders because it truly transforms your skin in just 7 days. Yes, you heard that right. All it takes is 1 week to see incredible results. The 3 Little Wonders work together to address all major skin concerns. It evens skin tone, smooths texture, targets fine lines and wrinkles, and brightens. This is the perfect set for you if you want an easy-to-use morning and evening regimen that delivers visible, dramatic results. It's great for all skin types, so everyone can experience powerful, transformational results in just 7 days. Here's how to use 3 Little Wonders. In the morning, start with clean skin. I recommend using the Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser. Gently massage 1 or 2 pumps of Truth Serum onto your face and neck. It's boosted with vitamin C and collagen, and it brightens, firms, and delivers all-day hydration. I love the silky texture, the sweet orange scent, and how it effortlessly glides onto my skin. After it's absorbed, follow with Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer for weightless hydration and luminous perfection. It has an amazing whip texture and is loaded with multi-fruit acids and antioxidants to instantly smooth skin. It's the perfect makeup prep step. It makes my foundation apply like a dream and gives my skin an instant boost of radiance. At night, after washing your face, apply 1 pump of invigorating night transformation gel to your face and neck. It features a concentrated multi-source AHA complex, including glycolic and lactic acids, and evens skin tone and texture while you sleep. This cool gel tingles slightly as the formula starts to activate, and that just means it's working. Let it absorb and then follow with Sheer Transformation for that weightless hydration and extra skin smoothing power. Follow these steps and you'll wake up to a radiant and more even complexion. You're gonna love 3 Little Wonders because this set will visibly transform your skin in just 7 days.